Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Maida over here, and in today's video I am going to be doing a get ready with me. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching.
Yeah. It's not real, I don't even want to go back home.
Okay, so the hair I'm gonna be wearing for this video, it's from Beautiful Forever Hair. It's this beautiful red hair. I have all the details on the screen, and I'm also going to list them on the description box just for you guys to make sure you have the exact details. I sometimes forget stuff when I'm doing voiceovers. And I'm gonna start with my hair. The first thing I did, of course, is, gel back the front of my hair. I was going out and I decided that it was a great idea to just film the process of me putting this wig on and getting ready in front of the camera. And yeah, I'm gonna do the bold cap method. As you guys know, it's the best way to get a seamless and natural looking lace front application. Here I'm just cutting the wig cap, and I'm gonna make sure it's all looking like skull. So I'm gonna put some foundation, and I'm gonna make sure all the little hairs, all the little leftover lace, it's cut off and glued down. Okay, so I went ahead and customized or work on my lace off camera, but here is a side by side of how the lace was looking before and how it looked after I finished customizing it. I'll be having a video up soon on how I work on my lace and how I make it look as natural as possible. And yeah, the first thing I do when applying the lace, it's cut the sides so it can fit around my ears. After that, I just clean up around the bold cap that I just did so it doesn't have any, foundation or anything. I cut the lace in 3 sections, and I work middle and then side, applying the glue. I do 3 coats of the glue. The glue I'm using today is Bold Hold, if I'm not wrong. I think that's the one I'm using. So I do 3 thin layers of glue. I do thin layers because I noticed that the thinner the layers, the better it looks, the more flat it stays on your head. You don't want to put way too much glue or too little glue that is going to be lifting. And I use the blow dryer in cold mode between layers to make sure they completely dry and they look clear. I must say that this lace was really easy to apply. It wasn't too hard. It fit my head perfectly. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I just put some lace tint, and the hair is so beautiful. Like, the moment I put that first section on, I was like, yes, I love this hair already. I am in love. After the middle part is completely glued down, I went ahead and I worked on the sides. I repeat the process, so I didn't show it here, but I did exactly the same thing, 3 coats. I dried with the blow dryer, and then with the help of the comb, I just made sure I pressed down the lace. I use a elastic band to wrap the lace while I work a little bit on the hair. I decided to do a side part for this hair, and yeah, I'm just going with some wax stick to make sure all the little hairs are down, and my hot comb to make sure the hair doesn't look puffy at the top. We want to make sure when you apply a wig, to make it look as natural as possible, you want to make sure that the roots are flat. You know, like if it was your own hair, you don't want no bulky or puffy anything. Then I proceed to cut the lace. I used one of those little razors and my scissors to make sure I get all the tiny pieces of lace that might be lifting. You want to cut those off. And yeah, you know, the secret to a perfect and a natural looking lace is always the customization of the hair. Here I'm leaving a little bit of hair for the baby hairs. I kept the baby hairs minimal for this wig because I haven't been loving a lot of baby hairs lately, just sometimes and mostly just with curly hair. But because this hair was straight, I just wanted a little bit of, you know, baby hairs here and there. I sprayed a little bit of Got2b spray to make sure all the lace was glued down, and I wrapped it, and then I went ahead and I styled my hair. I was running late for my date. It was already on the way and I wasn't near ready. Like I haven't even done my makeup here yet or anything. So I just started rushing and I did bigger curls. I'm not mad at them because it ended up looking really, really cute, really, really pretty. And I love that. So yeah. Okay, for my next step would be my makeup. For my makeup, I make sure I prep my skin properly with some toner, serum, and of course, my current favorite lotion, the Charlotte Tilbury. I would never be able to say that last name correctly, but their lotion, it's amazing. And then I moved on to my eyebrows. I used the regular brown pencil for my eyebrows. You know, I keep it basic when it comes to my eyebrows. All these new styles that people be using, I don't know if it's soap or gel, it just doesn't work for me because I barely have eyebrows. So this is what works for me. It's been working for me for years and I'm gonna keep doing it. So I cleaned up my eyebrows and I moved on for foundation. As a primer, I use the Fenty Beauty Matte Primer, and then for my foundation, I'm using Lancome Teint Idole. I will put the shades and everything on the screen and the description box. But yeah, this is one of my favorite foundations. I feel like it gives me the best match. And here is when my date told me that he was 10 minutes away, and I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna be ready on time. So I went ahead and concealed my face. I kept it very basic, to be honest. I didn't use a lot of concealer just because, you know, I was running late and I just wanted to look presentable at this point. I wasn't looking to do anything super crazy. I set my concealer with Huda Beauty powder. The name is going to be on the screen. And I personally like to press in my setting powder. I don't bake, and I just press it in with the sponge until it all goes away. And I also make sure I don't use too much, mostly because I'm running late and I don't want to have to deal with that extra powder thing. I use the Fenty Beauty powder all over my face and a little bit on top of my setting powder to make sure it doesn't look too yellow. And then I use the same powder but in a different tone, in a different shade, to contour my face. I feel like it gives me the perfect contour and I love that. Then I put some blush and highlight, and I went ahead and I did my eyeliner and lashes off camera. I went ahead and I sprayed my face with Morphe's setting spray, and while my face was drying, I went ahead and I changed. I was wearing a sleeveless dress, that's why it looked like I have nothing on, but it was a really nice, super pretty dress from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna try to put a clip on the screen. And to finish up my look, I went ahead and I did a nude lip combo using a dark brown pencil and a nude lipstick from Urban Decay. To finish up the whole look, I went ahead and I make sure I blend in my foundation into my lace with a little bit, just a little bit of powder. The least product you use on your lace, the best it looks. So you don't want to pack up a lot of powder around your lace. So yeah. But yeah guys, this is everything. I'm just gonna finish up, you know, fluffing off my curls. This is everything for this look and for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more of these get ready with me videos, let me know and I will try to do as many as I can. All the hair information and links are gonna be in my description box. You can tell how beautiful, you know Beauty Forever doesn't play. This hair is beautiful. If you want more details on the hair, please make sure to check out my description box. As you guys can see, this hair, it's gorgeous. The color, it's amazing, and it would look amazing on every single tone of melanated beautiful woman. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment under this video, and please turn on the notification bell if you haven't yet for when I post my next video. See you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.